Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add social media links in Framer. This is a simple way to help visitors open your social media pages directly from your website. So first, open your Framer project and go to the page where you want to place the social media links. Next, add a frame to your website and place your social media icons inside it. You can also copy the icons that you need and paste them onto your page. And after adding the icon, select the first icon where you want to attach a link. And now select it, then keep the frame selected and look for the properties panel on the right side. And find the link section, then paste the correct social media URL into the link to field. So for example, you can add the link to one of your social media profiles, and once the first link is added, repeat the same process for the other icons, and then wrap each icon inside its own frame, then enter the correct link in the right properties panel. And then after adding all the links, preview the website and test each icon to make sure it opens the correct social media page. And that is how you can add social media links in Framer. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.